Angelina Jolie looked gorgeous when she rocked a gold chin cuff on the red carpet at the Eternals LA premiere. When it comes to Angelina Jolie, 46, she is always pushing the boundaries in fashion, and that's exactly what she did at the Los Angeles premiere of her new Marvel Studios movie, Eternals, on October 18. Angelina slayed in a strapless brown draped Balmain Resort 2022 gown and a gold chin cuff that was fastened between the inside of her bottom lip and all the way around the bottom of her chin. While the gold chin cuff was definitely unique, Angelina managed to pull off the trend perfectly. Aside from the cuff, she rocked a bunch of gold bangles and rings, making the cuff look natural and super cool. Angelina was graced on the red carpet by 5 out of 6 of her children. Related gallery. Angelina Jolie on the red carpet with her kids, see pics. We loved Angelina's gown, which featured wide-leg flowy pants underneath the skirt. She topped her look off with a pair of metallic bronze pointed toe pumps. As for her glam, she kept her dark brown hair down in loose waves, with minimal makeup except for a cat eyeliner and a light pink lip. Also in attendance was Salma Hayek, who looked just as stunning in a skin-tight, plunging black Gucci gown. The dress had a super low-cut V neckline and a massive slit on the side that revealed her toned legs. The inside of the dress had satin yellow lining which you could see through the slit, and she topped her look off with sky-high platform heels, a Tyler Ellis Perry clutch, and an Ecos Coolest Feelings necklace.